Best places to visit in Italy. Italy, a country synonymous with art, history, and culinary delights, is a destination that captures the hearts of travelers from around the world. From ancient ruins and Renaissance masterpieces to breathtaking coastlines and charming villages, Italy offers a tapestry of experiences that celebrate its rich cultural heritage and natural beauty. Rome. Our adventure begins in Rome, the Eternal City, and the capital of Italy. Explore the ancient wonders of the Colosseum, where gladiators once battled, and the Roman Forum, a sprawling complex that was the center of political and social life in ancient Rome. Marvel at the grandeur of the Pantheon, a remarkable feat of Roman engineering and a testament to the city's rich history. Visit Vatican City, an independent state within Rome, and discover St. Peter's Basilica, the largest church in the world, adorned with breathtaking art, including Michelangelo's Pieta. Explore the Vatican museums, home to the iconic Sistine Chapel and a vast collection of art treasures. Take a leisurely stroll through the picturesque streets of Trastevere, a charming neighborhood known for its narrow alleys, colorful buildings, and lively atmosphere. Florence. Known as the birthplace of the Renaissance, Florence is a city of artistic magnificence and architectural marvels. Begin your exploration at the iconic Florence Cathedral, with its stunning dome designed by Brunelleschi. Marvel at the masterpieces housed in the Uffizi Gallery, including Botticelli's The Birth of Venus and Da Vinci's Annunciation. Discover the Piazza della Signoria, an open-air sculptured gallery featuring works by renowned artists such as Michelangelo and Cellini. Cross the Ponte Vecchio, a medieval bridge lined with jewelry shops, and visit the Palazzo Pitti, a grand palace housing various museums and stunning gardens. Immerse yourself in the beauty of the Boboli Gardens, a vast Renaissance garden filled with sculptures, fountains, and manicured lawns. Venice. No visit to Italy is complete without exploring the enchanting city of Venice. Embark on a gondola ride along the city's intricate network of canals, passing under picturesque bridges and alongside historic buildings. Discover St. Mark's Square, the heart of Venice, and marvel at the Byzantine splendor of St. Mark's Basilica. Explore the Doge's Palace, a magnificent Gothic palace that once served as the seat of Venetian power. Visit the Pitti Guggenheim Collection, showcasing modern art in a beautiful palazzo on the Grand Canal. Lose yourself in the maze of narrow streets and alleyways and discover hidden gems and charming squares. Amalfi Coast. The Amalfi Coast is a stretch of coastline renowned for its breathtaking beauty, dramatic cliffs, and vibrant villages. Start your journey in Amalfi, a charming town with a stunning cathedral and picturesque streets. Explore Positano, a postcard-perfect village known for its colorful houses, cascading down the cliffs, and its pristine beaches. Marvel at the panoramic views from Ravello, a hilltop town that has inspired countless artists and musicians. Take a scenic drive along the winding coastal road, enjoying the spectacular views of the turquoise sea and the rugged coastline. Visit the beautiful gardens of Villa Simbrone and Villa Ruffolo, offering serene retreats with magnificent vistas. Tuscany. The rolling hills of Tuscany beckon with their timeless beauty, vineyards, and charming hilltop towns. Explore the historic city of Siena, renowned for its medieval architecture, and the famous Palio horse race. Wander through the streets of San Gimignano, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its well-preserved towers and panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. Discover the captivating city of Pisa, home to the iconic Leaning Tower. Marvel at the architectural splendor of Florence's countryside villas, and visit the renowned wineries of Chianti, indulging in wine tastings and culinary delights. Immerse yourself in the cultural heritage of Tuscany by visiting the art-filled city of Lucca and walking along its ancient city walls. Experience the thermal baths of Montecatini Terme, offering relaxation and rejuvenation amidst lush landscapes. Enjoy the tranquility of the Val d'Orcia, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with its picturesque landscapes, charming villages, and vineyards. Cinque Terre. The Cinque Terre, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a collection of 5 colorful fishing villages perched along the rugged Ligurian coastline. Explore the picturesque streets of Riomaggiore, Manarola, Corniglia, Vernazza, and Monterosso, each offering its unique charm and character. Hike along the scenic trails that connect the villages, taking in breathtaking views of the turquoise sea and terraced vineyards. Visit the vibrant harbors, indulge in fresh seafood, and sample the region's famous pesto sauce. Take a boat ride along the coast to admire the beauty of the Cinque Terre from the water. Pompeii and the Amalfi Coast. Uncover the ancient city of Pompeii, frozen in time by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD. Explore the remarkably preserved ruins, including the Forum, the amphitheater, and the luxurious villas adorned with intricate frescoes. Continue your journey to Mount Vesuvius itself, where you can hike to the summit and enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Take a moment to reflect on the power of nature and the resilience of humanity. Sicily. The island of Sicily offers a captivating blend of history, culture, and stunning landscapes. Explore the ancient city of Syracuse, with its well-preserved Greek theater and archaeological park. Visit the Valley of the Temples in Agrigento, an UNESCO World Heritage Site showcasing impressive Greek ruins. Discover the vibrant city of Palermo, with its bustling markets, historic buildings, and vibrant street life. Explore the medieval town of Taormina, perched on a hilltop with stunning views of the Ionian Sea and the majestic Mount Etna. Indulge in Sicilian cuisine, savoring local specialties such as arancini, rice balls, cannoli, and fresh seafood. Immerse yourself in the island's natural beauty, from the crystal-clear waters of the Aeolian Islands to the rugged landscapes of the Madonie Mountains. Cinque Terre. Immerse yourself in the charm of the small villages, the seductive nature, and the tranquility of the Cinque Terre. Located on the rugged Italian Riviera coastline, the Cinque Terre consists of 5 enchanting villages: Monterosso, Olmere, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Rio Maggiore. These villages are characterized by their colorful houses clinging to the cliffs, narrow winding streets, and breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea. Start your exploration in Monterosso Olmere, the largest of the 5 villages, where you can relax on the sandy beaches and enjoy the azure waters. Stroll along the lively promenade lined with restaurants and cafes, and sample local delicacies such as anchovies and pesto. Next, visit Vernazza, considered one of the most picturesque villages in the Cinque Terre. Wander through the narrow streets and admire the pastel-colored buildings that lead down to the small harbor. Climb the steps to Doria Castle for panoramic views of the village and the surrounding coastline. Italy, with its rich history, stunning landscapes, and gastronomic delights, offers an abundance of unforgettable experiences for travelers. From the ancient ruins of Rome and the artistic treasures of Florence to the romantic canals of Venice and the breathtaking beauty of the Amalfi Coast, each destination showcases a unique facet of Italy's cultural heritage. Whether you're wandering through the charming streets of a medieval town, indulging in the flavors of regional cuisine, or simply basking in the beauty of Italy's natural wonders, every moment in this captivating country is filled with discovery and delight. So pack your bags, immerse yourself in the beauty of Italy, and let its timeless allure captivate your soul. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.